The Asian Financial Forum remains the premier event of its kind in Asia. The AFF brings together leading members of the global financial and business community to discuss the latest developments and trends of the dynamic markets of Asia. Over 70 speakers, each one of them an influential voice on the global scene, addressed the January 2012 event. They spoke to the overarching theme of Asia driving sustainable growth. Among these speakers were government policymakers, regulatory experts and leaders in finance, commerce and industry sectors.
It's a great occasion to learn from whatever is happening in other parts of the world. And I'm sure it also provides a very good opportunity for people to meet, network, talk about business on the sidelines. It's a very good forum.
The variety of the speakers and the caliber of them means that the dialogue throughout the couple of days has been very high quality.
I'm very impressed at the quality of the speakers put on board, and there seems to be this emerging, this very strong theme about the center of gravity of the global economy having sort of moved to Asia.
The rare chance to hear many highly respected speakers attracted more than 2,000 participants to the two-day event, setting a new attendance record. Bankers, institutional investors, fund managers, regulators and senior business executives were among those attending the event.
The depth and quality of the questions showed me the depth and quality of the audience. And I'd say from that perspective it was very worthwhile.
Asia is a very important part of the world economic development, and for that reason I think we should all be here.
Participants attending workshops on such subjects as EU rules on investment in Europe, the use of renminbi for trade and investment, Korea's growth engines, global business partnership, and investment opportunities in Russia and CIS countries also had the chance to have face-to-face interaction with speakers.
I think any investor who's interested in the renminbi should be at a forum like this, because I think it's where people are brought together to discuss some of the relevant issues of the day, and I think it's where there's really a good exchange of ideas as to what can be the next step and what can be the opportunities for this very exciting currency.
I think what's impressed me most is the scale of the event and the number of people, and clearly some of the content too has been very, very useful.
AFF Deal Flow offered hands-on opportunities for business partnerships. Investment project owners, private equity firms, investors, high net worth individuals and professional services providers took advantage of the business matching event. Over the years, around 1,200 meetings were arranged for more than 300 companies, paving the way for potential deals and opportunities.
I think this kind of arrangement with the deal flow is very good, whereby you can meet all those people who are interested into your companies.
I've attended many conferences. This one is very unique, and you learn from each other, so it's very impressive.
Networking opportunities were numerous, with the chance for participants to make high-level contacts at workshops, hospitality events, at the networking reception and in the networking lounge. AFF participants also had the chance to take part in other events, including the Asia Private Equity Forum and visits to the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and to neighbouring Guangzhou on the Chinese mainland. AFF has been growing since its inception in 2007. The 6th edition of the AFF on January the 14th and 15th, 2013 will again reaffirm its position as the premier event of its kind in Asia, rich in opportunity and information. We hope to see you there.